Rofo Mamu Akwaba, Kahuse latest and hot news era me de bro. And it is we now subscribe ya, but more say we subscribe to channel. Now we like video no, give us a thumbs up, nafi, share to all platforms. Say Ato Forson ebinye bi ahwe na wona hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memu afi yehwe ye ensemo abetop no so eye Ken Ofori Atta wakopie ice detention akoye sensem bebre e na Ghana fo na hwe kwan se America fo ebe deport no na wetima ba Ghana memu na wa be fesi emra no na akoye simpi na ye arise Ghana wana copycat ewo American embassy na answer de ensem ni nyina abeba don ye kohwe eye no comment video ye ba na fe yahwe eye ensemo aba betodwa no comment ye hwe eye sa video.
Dr. Samuel Amakwe.
Dr. Samuel Amakwe. And how old are you?
I'm 81 years old.
You're 81 years old. Medical doctor?
Medical. I was a medical practitioner, private medical practitioner, and retired in 2017.
You retired in 2017, and you decided to invest?
Yes, because I know I had a kidney problem, and it's already at the end, and it will come it will come tomorrow, any time. You are invested for it. That's why I bought bond. And now it's about to it's maturing in September 2023, and I need this money to look after myself. So actually, I want exemption because I can't participate in this. And wait, I'm 81. How can I wait for 5 years more? I can't.
Asking one thing. What's the message to the finance minister?
That means he should think twice. And the example is because now he's punishing us. He's punishing us. He's killing us softly.
Orofo no comment video na me de atudwa no afi yambura ye ensemo abetop no so eye arise Ghana ekobi your friend arise Ghana wana koboche gu ne Ghana foni bi ewo ye American embassy ni nyina gina ye Ken Ofori Atta wana bompais America ebe deporto eye former finance minister eye Ken Ofori Atta said obaba Ghana memu hanum na wa be fesi mra no na enu na ye Hopeson Adorye ede ensem bebre atudwa afa ho abra wono so chere na dwen efa ye de koso ewo ye American embassy honom no eye Hopeson Adorye ede ensem dodo na atudwa na etentemara yenkuti eye ensem ekoso na Hopeson ono so ne ensem a wode atudwa afa ye koso no yeti ensem no
time of fraud no na yo all right, but Mama fa we ntwa mansa na be wo se me refi yes and na me nua be ma Godwin obabo me pa me sira wa Mama fa Godwin birthday yin fam na afei yanto aso all right and ba wo to send me message ba me esa cha sa ma nya wo de me wasem me ba cho na ya mi akasa me nua be ma Godwin birthday head of corporate affairs
Godwin
Tama oil refinery
oh
to in Pachanya Eduji
oh minimum way
so unim no
oil frafa foolish man
oh
frafa nisu wo birthday I say me na me hwe say no kura na anya no kura akwa we onim da ye wo no
hey
but you see
so you don't even let me wish my brother in peace.
No, this boy no every frafra is a boy.
Oh
we mo no ye kwa ye a year protester ye we protest your friends competition crime competition yeah share omo goals no mo so we crime no akọ.
Hey, Godwin, I am a birthday kakra bebe we show so we dey Bernard na money di na when we the pakwa kai Bernard
Bernard head of communication.
Who's who nim the birthday?
Dabi nim the birthday.
Na we here into any fake.
Dabi we no Yeah, man, we won't say Dagara for no antro for ni birthday or ni birthday. And this man, we have not given him birthday.
And when we are there,
we know what we are there, no?
Anyway, happy birthday to you, Gyamfi Godwin. Now, on your case, how you refinery head of corporate affairs.
And then there's yeah, dog competition. And then birthdays are no.
No, and then what was it?
I thought you prepared fresh.
Where is he going to do the birthday? Maybe a dog party.
Godwin, Bernard, when I see me, I say, he found a birthday, no?
Dog party, I assure you.
Really? Are you going to sponsor?
Oh, I will sponsor.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
I go you. Yeah,
oh, yeah, mini yaketwa.
I know they're married.
Hey, more than Papa.
All right.
Godwin, I wish you very well. Fantastic guy.
Bernard never me late. Sammy crowd said a cover piano.
Aha.
Yeah, boss.
Now, catch them say, no, Mamma Tama will be free.
8:30 Nangi free.
Aha. Into a year day. About 9:45.
About 8:30. No more interview, Bernard Mona. I almost say, you said Bernard, na me ma comment answer. And na Bernard chokrodo. Ah, when we jump chinchina wo kasasa. Me na me so. Me special placard da ho. Sedina must come home. Me nkwa na me kita. Enti na obia hu eno no. Enti me kan no wi answer o mo ma me kwan. Enti Bernard na ma me che. Me kana na wunya anti asem no mu no. Na ofi se me ana ma sheda.
So mo me no obia shift blame ama na yonko. Bernard ba ye wo de ase. Commander by what they are saying.
Man, French commander. Me make a tell say, won't me bano and now reporter.
I don't know what's on the other side.
That be reporter and I cheat me. Asana other media houses.
So what you are there saying?
Me baby do have me who say. That is reporter no interview na ye no or the man or life.
And then no one I will say.
And yeah no na otchere. Obedru ha no we say na me na make. Oh yeah, then Unyaye. If your reporter did not keep me to interview me so that they can have something for you, I would have been here.
Martin, you and I'm commander.
I think that look.
But you see, you are saying say you doubt whether he is going to resign.
No, there's no resignation in Ghana.
Okay.
Ghana. That be hopes in na ono kwa ye
just omo fire no
hopes in na ye say ye ba be fire no e no say
no mo resign.
They work with principle.
All right. Commander, ya two topics into be carbon arise Ghana picketing na e koso no.
Eno hear me ba.
G-Tech dey no.
Yeah. Arise Ghana
NPP for dey no so.
Arise Ghana ye be bo mo ba so o ma ya dey. Only say Mona mamanya yintem. And yes, after me red t-shirts are more when I say, David. Untianis aside and the mention black. Najama Coco, the
Micrampo, Esha white, but they are there.
Eti or my ideas or Moyesa. I pick it in say American authorities or Monfa Ken Ofori Atta or me in someone. Maybe an America. Me say be crap Ken Ofori Atta be grano. Na yesi we say this yes okay what pass it. We say ye be you cry na bia ne ho song there.
Yeah.
But so one no mo cast or more try wa.
In absentia.
Kwan bia so no. Woni ho no de. E be bu aguso because cross examination one e better na answer ma. Nipa no oti ho no enye oni won na e adwuma no. So on there no. Eti wo ana obetima ho say sade we. Then ye. Now, I think, sir, Arise Ghana for no, they've been strategic. Time or the cocoye, I don't know. In fact, or my idea, me bought my basso. I walk home. In the sense, it's a when you walk, I say, New York, I feel about 4:49 a.m. I'm matching. And it's Sabrina, so there. Pictures in the BBA America did that. A more, they can't say petition or one submitting near the Adinano. I have for no be fax no fast. Or mo be sorry na dida or mo yiso. Let us say or mo tima hu e beboa. Ken e kokko to ne. Court na wo ko no enye extradition.
Yeah.
The mum e immigration issue. Owura America ye ma da for free ho. Ye ma so betima tena up to this. Most at times me makwa time o mo de mami bia no. Ya na ye 6 months. Eka last August I'm going to say or mama me say me free for 15th February next month. But man spending 1 month to grant and buy. Say who overstay near kasi revoke visa. It may take you another 10 years before so be to me. I apply NPP. Then obi visa say and NPP ni bi am ni share no more revoke ni visa de no man che no ho na me say won te system na say. Visa no more revoke here no was not revoked there. Ye revoke no hanom ana show wo ho. Oni nti ana no mo hwehwe no edi ni ntente ekokoche no. So on yet no. Because obu ni mu say who go America ye more 6 months. At the 6 months no mo so ahwa hu say adi sir obu ni na ti Ghana. Ken bro obu te omu ye omu hwe TV omu hu ni ekoso. Dom say sade na ba sade a ya de beruvoku ani arivoku anomo Washington for anya say sa ni pay o America arivoku ni visa ya na mu ni ntitentete awu mu di ni ntitentete o makwa kwakire no ni obetu agaga na ana Ghana sese ntino me kwa o mu beku mi ni ade nti mpesa mi siki asalam ansa na obeti masosi di ndate no o mu hwe country no near air koso wo ho ye Fourth Republic are very excellent. Just say ubia boy abaso say Oba Africa at least ye ka country democracy is ye adwuma ontimi nyi Ghana emfrim. Hwe ye elections are ye now the to Nigeria for ho omo ye election utituo pe ni ade Ghana eye minimal.
Opia onko Uganda.
Uganda. Can you see what Uganda? Hey, opposition leader kwaya yi ni a block kwan. Ni a femu no ne media fo nyina. Ya to ababa na wini ya chinchimu za David. One wini. Wa wini over 70% o.
Yeah.
Ya chinchimu nisa. Any ade. Eti omo ba hwehwe. Send ne tianza. Nduko ka se Ghana e ho nye save a. Unga my friend Udiago. Now we are hoping say ebia ene judge no e bit ma take a decision on that. Yini say I say for the work no. I say for say wa overstay to ye illegal immigrant wo ho no. Eti no ye pese ye de wo baby a wo free buy. We are praying say judge no e betimi ahwe ayeyi. Na say nana ejika some time ago no. Omu bisa mo no mo hu lawyers are omu ye expert omu won say Ghana has say like asema ko Supreme Court ye wo some lawyers bi wo ha say ya omu nya original na judges ni na abu omu do say ayi there because respect omu wo masan ko that's right ko hu ne ade no eti enu sam krofo no bi anu wo kwakopa kwakotua sika amano no akwa defend him but 50-50 it can be yes or no so but we are praying say court to be say yes ye fa no go fie no
de naba
ono na ye bompai ye nya deported so there you go handcuff ye do abehye plane no mu odru ha ne ha di over ma Ghana authorities na Ghana authorities so edu akwa kwahye say kakra na fi watch statement ni abelu
na we can dey am fan nko session
on so nche mo bia wo
da we de no eko yoko ni ape dan pe ni amana ada ho what you bed no so be kama
one na dey one special prosecutor dey di o nti so on dey me bisa me ho say adena NPP fo ani apre support Ken wo ye special asin hwan e wo krom ha for special asin hwan. Okay. Former MD of Memo Bank the madam for na kamu ye se kwan biaso mbetu no. Only reason there. Because omo ye the deputy ebra na John Mahama ye president.
Oh ya samo. Ma ya samo. Ana se minim. O ka se omo ye the deputy president so ya samo.
Enti omo lusi grada be ye no. Ana be ye MD. Kofi said that yenti asiye mi so mo tete papa ya last minute o mo fire no ana omude omo aho nipa ekokoshe na hwe ne omo nipa no koye no ne NIB yeye When is NIB good crank or moton?
I would that one.
So maton. Omo ka se omo convert no any ADB. No madam no.
Omo me.
Omo ampene.
Ya ampene.
Ante aban ba ye no anto asa wo mo yi.
Dabi. Ya.
Anya sanka ni pa bebre se kwata fie. Wo meje wo mo pe hu se. Bank no ba ko dodo na ebe kofie. Wo hu ne ete no. E ma sa nyama we nyina e ko so. Onye special sin wo bia. Eti no, ese se otimi ba. No be me can say onye special because look ya me meet here omo mu di akotene parliament NPP winning 2016 elections no omo ntimi ntro omo beji bidi afri mu da ha me bie ma no kan ayi bete Accra FM ha ya mo station ani ye kasa ana NPP ni betro nsem hunu bi ana me se me contribution ede a party no ba power no wo ni wabusu afo nyina mo kam contribution to mu enu media wanted ana me boss ese makase man enso sase mo amika yi na maka no yi boiling point on my FM be ye 5 times o just one day o different days 5 times me ka ho do mu bo mu nsam me be ka ha because ma twe me hunti no ye che me de me ko share sales e ba me da sales ma de je yade me kokko to mo kokko lay foundation omo fa me nko remand 2 weeks omo ahihye bibia to na nyankopon na me dana se judge no je se osuro nyame o shoko omo kwa ye freketi na jam kokko gina odin no abehwe manim ba ko na prosecutor no je se charge no de bon me na menye lawyer no kwa me sire kakraba only say MP
what's no wakuma
MP
okay
ana me lawyer sorry ya the lawyers ba ko 15 ana and ko ye ti judge no who bo bia say also Allah ba was asem kitwa wi eti na so mo fra la stop no say manema me say lawyer no ko two authorities ba ko 11 na no see our tenants here pay was yes prosecution and at the end what tenants here was say by court be granted and one may report to a police I'm say every week or so and they say Jubilee has a taking baby adin so me inquire about you say ma can say me contribution ni enti no ya de me ko share sales na wo ye de o man pesa hye wonsa o man sika nyina hye wonsa se wo na wo hwe so I make sure say parliament tama minority the minority NDC yes say wo mo betu no sa censorship ye o mo e file ye ni ade no and some o mo de buy no na ye misrepresentation in budget what the budget no ba nsem ni bi o hono ma na ya tro enumu no mo be mu se sa wo mo asansan sika mo mo de tua national cathedral without approval from parliament sabe mo we na wayo obi ti hono se ana Ken onye hwe o mo abobo adam 97 million of Ghana cedis e can say $52 million right but mo yeah you need am say 97 million minimum say still a dollar so say cedis so $97 million ebi akotu am na we da hodum se woti hodum se yes onye hwe e ka wa bogana be say Ken na wa ma krom ha ma me face justice eje you obo mo kasi enter na absentia na enter na absentia ese so oba woni said na ma you know difference room said na court em ye no cross examination ewie ye court na cross examination you wi a wono say a civil court you don't need to go there say criminal ana emre bia necessary oko e to do dey no mo ni na wi na ka so mo be ye others na fi o ma judgment and the two kwan a wa ma biem e different thing altogether eti judgment and the course o ebra no oni ho na we dey there esese wo ba no obeyiyi nsem ano na yaka se oh nsem a wo ka ye nyina no ya charge you this that no hu se ya charge no o ye na absentia na se judgment ba na bia court a convict na oni mu nsem mbega wo ha se ya nkan nkosa wo ha se ya woni hanti na mabubu agu no so ene ne ka ho me se kwan bi ombe fa so de na ba bia omo fa no mbra na ye make sure say waba be face justice
okay
ya anya ni sa and ye make trend this ministers no say omo so wieska Ghana photo aba ti omo pa omo nyina mfiri oman no mu dom konkwetena bruchiri se saade ye pe na ye be encourage omo amomaye na se ye mpe ni saade a and ye nyina ye mra together ye make sure say enkrofo a yesusu say omo wiesika aban eye nyina yen support aban na won prosecute omo
okay
yen jisika no omo san kwankwo da jail enti ministers omo wo so say hey ani esem ye careful na enye sa me so say ni e ba be ye me ne ma nyina ye ba be Gyamfi misem ye sa de me kwakoto jail let us support it
okay in 1 minute we GTech den na ye wie NPP for them
GTech den dey say engongo si hwe
oni Bernard ya adwense we se we
one dey just o ma fire no na GTech where the doctor I say I be onya yi Inter point to grab me say na is it praying politics or what
da be enche me say Azuma Nelson the professorship no obeka say
ya me why I can show you message institution be in America etro me nim how almost will be na recommend me ma omo send ko mo ma me doctorate award omba be ye program no Ghana any ade and I say how enti ye be ye courses bia na no mtu ye ordinary enti ye dey on now any ade nyamsi o be say do so omo bo me manko me mpasem
I will throw a jinapo
me kwa kwa yeden me nkonko sua ade ye nkonko tro thesis ni akase oh why enti no ya ma doctorate ya dey ba be che me a me use amenya program there and ye me nkoje kra nti manko but enye wrong president almost sisu nyina menkai professor Mason na menkai so mo onan sa yi ne bia Jerry John Lawrence nya honorary
Kofi Annan
degree yes Akufo Addo nya Kofo nya John Mahama
Addo
first lady so kra enya enti enye batten so on yet no because anybody no go control PhD to aso dia
and our problem
you can yes anybody honor no so a doctor o say bad news what kind of nonsense I don't know university you grano enye honorary enye yiti say wo kwakotro wasi chese say wo ya you know the lecture no pen no ano the mouth the lecture pen no the mouth obi o try to do say I didn't go here kra so na bia wanya bi o ne je no I guess what throw e no but ebia no ahwe ni suban bi we o back class o yesi ni na e kaka no wa pass no sanity it is overdoing it too much and obia kwa kusua de minister for is it deputy minister for health
I professor Owusu dankwa
me na say na me say na kwa we ba at the vetting one was state any ade say that the war you know international is almost here at the constitution present come back travel this only no say enye do kra ni ade no akwa control ten say o njai say wo use afemre bi onu angasa gramete say ne no kra ni doctorate no
professor Owusu dankwa ka chen so fa ne credentials mra no so fa ne de mra no mo compare wenti me
afi no okodachi edo no ne de say omo fire ne ye dia ane na say onu ankasa be resign pa de oh I don't think so
all right your last topic I dey we Bernard I think say we follow 31st na ne besi anyasi na afi primaries no mahu ni po betu franka but Brian Champion say wo hwe de yakoso wo enipa mienu entamu a ono pe ne betimi unify party no because enra me bo Ken video ha no pay wakasa for over 5 minutes me nyadaja no pay bo video ni nyina say o say na Bawumia liar he's born liar so ohu obi odi ntro to say Bawumia because wakojina Kumasi akoka say adubuahe anko for presidential EBM because no yare which a part in history or distorted no. Oh ya ohwane Asante say Bawumia campus so atwa mane oh okra yo udini ona okunwe ona okunwe enti ase say obia since no de na ho na asa afa de since no ya akese enti no bra champo say mienu ni nyina munyo mu firi mu na mfama me
Oh, the best to be honest, the best presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party will not win.
Kwabena Agyapong.
Kwabena Agyapong is the best presidential candidate for the New Patriotic Party. Unfortunately,
he will not win.
He will not win. See, Seyewo Obia, who sanitized communication at the presidency, you cannot choose minus Kwabena Agyapong. Wemu, Yanum. Omuno mukobru.
May you opinion, Mr.
Wemu.
May you opinion.
Wemu. They went and hounded Kwabena Agyapong from office. So only the title. Only the title here delegate. Kwabena Agyapong in his campaign. And me, I told him this, that accident was not an ordinary accident. They planted the accident for you. Had an accident, broke his hand, was admitted at 37 hospital, where only about 4 people that could access Kwabena Agyapong. Because they were now scared at the hospital. So we could go, and I say, hey, Kwabena, in fact, at that point, University of Mass Communication, your friend saying, Unimark, yes, no, always is here. Neyere Eka say Kwabena will not go for the elections. And I may call hospital in his bed, and I said, you will contest these elections. Then I say, they called the wife, say, Betier Bernard, we don't run out of politics because of an incident. The woman was worried, terrified. And he went in that election in Tamale, and he cleared Sir John. Ohana Sir John Ebeka said, fear delegate. Sir John was Wemo. That was their candidate. That is their candidate. Okay. Because Akufo Addo wanted Sir John against Kwabena Agyapong, who could bring about dignity to the New Patriotic Party. And when Kwabena Agyapong won, they will not allow him to continue. In order to malign him, because they wanted to introduce transparency and a certain level of accountability. Yeah. How do you, Ken Ofori Atta, own your party executive? Yeah. How do you take and go and open a bank account at Hopeson Prudential Bank, acting as party executive, take party and go and open account, and the party executives don't know about it?
Took a loan with it and other things.
Now, when the bank is asking for the amount, when you must say even within the New Patriotic Party, Ken has to come and account for some of the things that he did.
Even his own party.
In his own party, you went and used the name of the party, went to Prudential Bank, got a loan.
Criminal.
What you say? And then Kwabena Agyapong and Co said they will not. They used my brother and Co to hound them out of office.
And
the things you did, the foundation you laid, they catalyzed him. No, God saved him that his driver was fast. So, me can't win. I say, look, for me, a very nice communicator, intelligent on his subject that he wants to talk about, decent. Unfortunately, he will not win. But for the New Patriotic Party, I will be a better president than they will be.
Okay.
Kwabena Agyapong, Kennedy Agyapong. I don't know what it is. But it turned out that because of the system frustrating every other person and pushing everybody to Bawumia, the lot of the party people, including Kwabena Frimpong, including Nyahota Maklo, including your friend is saying Kojo Kyeremanteng, Atta Kennedy, all of them who belongs to the real NPP and not the fake NPP. They now have found that, look, Ken will do the job and restore the party to its origin. And that is where the challenge is. So those that belong to the fake NPP and are constantly attacking from Boakye and others, they don't know that they are causing disaffection for Mahamadu Bawumia. But the more you do that, you are causing disaffection for Mahamadu Bawumia. And Ken, who doesn't deserve the love that he is getting now, many of them are drifting quietly and they are going to be there. And for me, anyway, Baby America, let the NPP elect the West candidate, and Ghana's democracy will become better.
All right, Commander, fire.
I think that Kwabena issue now work on that one. A course by the then PA, or not a course because then the utterances on radio every morning. Any other no, na a hard journey. Now, yeah, call primaries. Obia who say, ye can't say, Akufo Addo win it. Now a whole lot, and no, and a cocoa triggers animal. And I just want to clarify that. Nyamani bi ohonoma ankoye say omuye no, but nyamani bi so na ekoso no na time. Some next meeting crowd na radio station to me report to what is going on at the meeting. Any ade na enye. Enti anu no enkoda nche no. Ye say yasuma bro abroa. Maybe I will call the fire. The Omunju Mutrim, a better near bomb, a boy and some more. So, Neteno. That near course we pa o share a Huadia can de Casayana. What him say, Bibia Conum. Found it. And now share papers in the woman. Bawumia, oh, me, I am for politics of 5 years. Bawumia is the most hypocrite politician in this country. Obesuma biakoko didi atemwa nipa no tuba kope no abegina ho. I stand for clean politics. I don't can say support insult in politics. And so no na asuma mi abedi watem. Enkrofo mudi Kenya temu nyina di wachi. Eje so mudi wachi gako. Moko kodura yina mu hia delegate. Omo kasa. Wote ho no makasa. Wani obutimi bo akutia. Na wote ho. Na wote ho. Na uwia no abeka say but me die Bernard ya person man ko dani mo ya mo mpa yesa Bawumia because ono no me say akola ketwa primary school ni akola obi san say die na onim fa Bawumia obeka so Bawumia is a liar obeka che wopaye ka look but that me took every weekend be took ayo me do baby a me timi gina baby ankola woni e di nko gagra say only Ghana vice president no aboni the only former president Bawumia. What do you know about Bawumia is a liar? Me na me catch you. Notorious fact. Everybody knows. Eti asembie ni hwa oba beka ebe fa Ghana for. Yes Bawumia ka so no oba no obeye budget a. Obey no constituency base. I mean, what kind of childish? What kind of childish are you doing? Now, when the culture says budget is not constituency based. Answer no budget for road ministry no. They know say this year ye be kwan wa near the emergencies in society then akeka ho near the call. Mo better see year of roads. Roads be na mo ye. Na oba be catch say wo be ye budget a konkata maso for roadway ye be ye pram for roadway be ye ni agiedi ni akoto abama o eh ye pese Ghana sa ko na chi 25 God is 25 years ana no wo na wo ka say wo YDS ana ma president mama yeah, air coso wa benyimu air coso. Me say what? Wo wa DS no. Wo wa DS no. Ah, wo de baye no. Anya adwuma amawo. Na ebo mu free ho no. Obi na no enye na idea. Ya, wo so da na se wo hu se. Wo ye nsuo we. Process a wo fa so de hu ye no. Wo ka kire me a. Better say oh, ani ye ni say. Send you who no. Me can now catch him no me who is that. Yeah. Eti nya ma ne say that. Ebi a meti ma ya ma na say no, but eti me nya say. Eti wo na wo no waso da ye say this is idea. Any ade. Anti ma ye. Look. One idea I was what they buy. Emre bia me dispute to say Dr. Sledge and esusu hu kire no say ye beti ma ye good for oil. Enti ya onu benja wo bia ye de good be ma no. Na ono dia that's right eti o briefu ne kakra na pa no ko ye good for ye drones here di ba ye also na ye wa hu Ghanaian professor bia no wo America e kanasa wo mo abinwom wo se Pentagon drones ni ade e ye wono na idea wono no mo de ye wono na di drone e ba Ghana eti wo mo ye yi Kofi Annan center wo mo ye yi na ana woko Vice President who knows oh that is good idea any idea anyone say Bawumia the drones aba anyone know nipa na wo no de na de ba ye no ya ndima ona no aya mi yasi papa na Afrim oh ya ndima ona no wo kika nwa oba be ya maga na change ne America ko level because nwa be bre ohodo mo America for ya eye wo no ana e de ba ya obi antimi dispute o se gugu didi na hwɛ ma wo ye wa America enu anu no what dey gold for oil buy the aim ni say e be stabilize fuel prices na anhwɛ kra na e betimi atete abafom what starting gold for oil fuel konsoro sa there was not an occasion I can say sabre we there fuel so ateba akokrada check it from tama gold for oil start here e konsoro sa Emma, Timiko could do by 25 cedis a liter. Diesel. 25 cedis a liter. Now, what idea now? I do call 25 or no? And no, na and about 990. Eh? I did your Papa Biano. NPP want to take credit for it. Then your Papa did no mujane. Now, when we know, Nipan who are mobo, former President Akufo Addo. No, we are mobo. Who bought Rollins in the end? Because Rollins in a year way, Rollins in a year way, Rollins in a year way. Who bought Kufodia, Kufoye way, Kufoye? Who bought a miss in the Albertimania, what a miss in a way? Who bought Mahamadu Bawumia as say, Akufo Addo, who bought the idea of a cathedral? What no problem because of Bawumia.
What did it? All right.
No, dear General.
Yeah.
At the Papa Akufo Addo, adding ultimate president, you know. Enye wono na this omudi di no because na wa ye na adwene se obesisi nkrofo ama Bawumia na akonti no oh na Bawumia kokko baby I so kokko commission ade cross Bawumia kokko commission be say areas bi wo hodo mo a onim se oje bo no bo so aga na fo be wini na munti wonti menye enye sa nka kwan ya yetwa kran ko be ka say na idea ade atwa kwan no eti me obi a me NPP mu a Frimakuma mu ka me support na ye adwuma no Bawumia Campaign. Okay. Because oye nipa wa show odo akere me. So say obisa obi bibi no oye ma wa. Me ma rem fi say nipa ne da.
La Palm Royal Purchase no.
La Palm Royal Purchase no. Who di mu nkrofo na sha say. But ayi brand there because say owo business ni munti. So
na omode no.
Who di nkrofo am contest ya bi. Anyone more year no money ade Ado mu church do you know? Onim
but say na brand.
No. One no there Bernard, I say makonya contract. Tie, I say makonya contract. Dey bia Bernard wo construction company. Nam say Bernard Jena ye ne yenche. Obi akoko hu a say Bernard company no. Obi akọ register Jena, ye be ka say Bernard ne nya contract no. But na me church re. Wo ye no faso e ba ye wate me dia ma ono so afa ne dia They say they use bribe.
Hotel deal.
Me na make a job. They say, go find out. Lancaster, there be holiday in it. Holiday in so much change in ako ayi. O ma change in.
Oh, I know they be ni pa cry ene dia.
Me chese.
We dia.
Look. Me dey me modi, but what dey mon kon check.
How to yi mani.
Me nto hwe ma obia.
O sa John ato ma.
Me nto ma obia.
I mon kai me ni na ma put it wa hasa. I want to be my dispute here.
Yeah, why?
Asante Bediatuo.
Oh.
On dey me nkasa. Mon ko Kumasi. Mon kon ko Lancaster enyade. Mon kon ko wurewurem na mon hwe. Say him for dia. Look, to ya ngomba beton yi.
Aye.
Mon wurewurem na mon hwa de. Nka to pa ye say ba beton no $22 million. How? Our mobile deal where you much money profit about $21 million. Eh? PDS, Mushum, in Kwabena Agyapong.
For the hotel sale.
Why a businessman?
Okay. Right.
Why a businessman?
I don't know interest.
I may say, why a businessman? I know more would do when the moon paid for say, I do a percentage in transit. Yeah, would you a percentage, a percentage? Who your business person? I won't come with you.
Aiding and abetting is a crime.
Menka say, or can say, the whole feature, but Mamma Fanny in a Munuso.
May say aiding and abetting is a crime.
Oh, that's it. Till. Say, or Coco, we are the Agyapong or Coco. We state purchases are you say about Mamifa we in Chato.
What call La Panda?
Kodia
In recent times.
Kodia, I will know to try Yampia, etchere, you know. Huh? One baby, I'm from Boakye. TV3 at you on.
Yeah.
What for Jubilee House now over?
Yes.
Before so be drew circle Sankara hoy. Huh? All right, he say a honor. When him time out was 1985. Near move or Tofian 1 year as here Wukudia. 1985. I know toss I feel. NPP bar power. That time Osafumafo was the finance minister. What's it? You know, or more comma, there be a dinosaur don't you? Or boy, revaluation. Or more money said Triasica. Idea what 12 year canoe. Then you embark Fourth Republic. And so more money said Triasica. Now, such a person, who could ya? What Casa, what's it? Messi could be a dear. Sammy Macacher, Messi election be over contest, be the highest mark of 12%. And I stand by that.
Now, so when NPP need be,
me say,
for to my back,
now
2% more.
Me say, a yip your back contested. A NPP mu. Say outside NPP. The highest vote, about 12%.
All right, thank you.
Now, from Boakye Agyarko, what was it then? The whole guy, you can't say word. The first black person, I know what me Yakuma Hoduma was from Boakye. The whole guy, word. Now, you are German, you chancellor by Hopeman Award.
Yeah, okay.
Hopeman Award. Now, you are. Now, Zanipano, what say, yeah, you will because say, to report about what kind of cray woman, you know, and yeah, mouth position cry. What they be feeling? What by now feeling? What by and now feeling? Now, some report no man who say, President Director, Attorney General say, Uncle Him, Attorney General, yes, wrong. When him say, more planning, and him say, planning and strategy are very important in this year. But yes, Ramon, Monfi money na Monfim, will be Pia where you involved. Will be Pia where you involved. Mamon should do Bia.
All right.
Namon tell with it. Now, almost started. Almost started so more prosecutor more. Then we'll see the galamsey campaigns because it's Minya presidential. You can't say site. I was Sefi. Check plot. I was you can't say Jubilee House. I more Mukutua. Me say I feel no mbe the real campaigns. I feel no mbe.
All right.
Before winning and some more about to draw a year arise Ghana and I want to copycat or Ghana embassy or Accra. Ningina year Ken Ofori Atta I want to say America for a reported na UBP Ghana memoha serebeya obakujina embranenim na webu akunta otchere eye Ghana for na no na koye nsem bebre na no na ye Hopeson Adorye react wode nsem dodo na ra etudwa Because so we subscribe ya bomodi say or subscribe to channel. Now while like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share to all platforms. Say there Ato Forson bi ahwe na wane hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memano. Also betimi achere wadwen afa ye ensem we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu. Mobeti minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.